Well, the current global order is working perfectly fine. What do I mean by that? It's meant to militarize, it's meant to demoralize, and it's meant to take control of the resources of different countries in the global south. So actually, the Western hegemony is working just fine. But what isn't working is our response to it. And I wonder as well, coming to Pakistan, how you are adjusting to these questions. I'm talking about specifically the drug problem amongst the youth in Pakistan, which is very disturbing. And, women leaving the deen in great numbers as well, taking off hijab, some cultural dissolution going on. Now there is you have a great youth population here. You have, great talents here. But I really would like to see Pakistan stepping up into, a zone where it can challenge this awful order, inshallah.
You had participated in the General Convention also. So how do you see the public of Pakistan and how's your experience going?
Well, it's been an amazing conference. It's been wonderful to see so many people loving the Deen gathering together. It's been really well organised. I congratulate the organisers of JIP, of course. Thank you.